This specific iteration, dubbed the Grape, gives a new interpretation of the iconic shape by combining a striking color scheme that includes white, purple, and turquoise hues, evoking the nostalgic grape colorway that has long been a favorite in Nike's collection. When combined, these components provide a cohesive and fashionable trainer that is prominent in collections as well as on the street. With its bold design, comfort, and performance, the Nike Air Max 95 OG WMNS Grape is a versatile option for everyday wear and was created especially for women. While the inventive lacing system and cushioned collar guarantee a snug, supportive fit, the upper portion of the shoe is made of a blend of mesh and synthetic leather, offering breathability and durability. Superior shock absorption and a lightweight feel are provided by the renowned Air Max cushioning technology, which also improves user comfort. Set to release on spring 2026 for $180.